I took Lychee's cone off because it's hard seeing her trying to lick her babies when she's got the cone on. She's so sweet, aren't you, sweetheart? Yeah. And just put it back on after she's done. The babies are all happy. I understand when they say that an engine purrs. If you can listen to this.